I didn't know this episode was gonna get this crazy. We got my mans that look like Scooby-Doo. It turns out this boy know all the karate moves in the book, hear me? But then my boy was trying to put on the innocent act like I was using self-defense. Before we get into the video, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new, it means a lot to me. Without further ado, let's jump into this bang. Shit. Wow.
Hi. Can I get a size 10 and light?
Sorry, we're closing up.
Dang, my boy. You can't bowl?
He wants to. Worked it out with the owner.
Can I join him for a few balls?
You wanna ask? Knock yourself out.
Hey, you don't even know, dog. Why you trying to bowl with him? You know?
Just wondering if maybe I could join you for a couple games.
Private game. You mind?
No? Hey. Sorry.
Yeah, bro. What you doing walking up on random people, bro? You can't be doing that. You ain't from the hood.
Hey, come on.
Whoa, wait. What's happening? Oh!
You got a bad attitude, friend.
Did he pull the trigger? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, my man. You should have just let him bowl with you. You see what happens when you say no? That stuff. Oh, look, we got Don Cheeto back.
Love that.
Boy, you got beat up last episode.
Take a whiff.
Like a good revolver better.
Oh, they showing how he got the gun then. Okay, then.
This is top of the line. I guarantee this baby will not jam. Or my name ain't Turk Bear.
Oh, it jammed. Oh, snap.
Negotiates, huh?
Oh, snap. Just a random fight at the bowling alley. This is wild. The ball out his arm? Bro, where's security? Oh my God! What just happened? Why you owe him dead? She got low. And then did all that, bro. Don Cheeto talking about the gun ain't jamming, and it jammed, bro. Beat him the way you did him. Go do that to Don Cheeto.
Right over here. Don't move.
Bro, they done up straps and everything. Well, who is this guy though? Like,
I want a lawyer.
boy, he know the moves. Like he really know the moves. I'm scared of him, you know. You went up there, and hey, you know, then beat a dude to death with a bowling ball. That's tough.
Anything you said during the sacrament of penance stays between us. Could have killed 10 people.
Bro, you sure about that? Listen, what I say, look, what stays in Vegas stays. What they say? What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Seemed you had a lot on your mind last time you were here.
Yeah, that boy was talking about killing people. You know?
No. People's memories these days ain't so good. Back in the day.
Yeah, what they be forgetting? You know? What you remember from yesterday? Nothing.
Kings of the castle.
Kings don't have bodies in the trunk.
Tell that to Macbeth.
Hey, my boy. You got a dead body in your truck? Like, huh?
Russians got a bee up their ass. Somebody's been hitting them hard. Mostly around the...
Hey, pause, my boy. Somebody's been hitting him hard. Whoa.
New player, maybe?
Used to be if you killed a man, you sent his wife flowers. Now they just send his wife with him.
That's tough right there. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but listen, you kill me, you might as well take my wife. That's tough.
Give me something. A name. Anything.
Take a pass on this one, Benny. Some fights will just get you bloody.
I ain't gonna listen. If you did all that for him and he don't want to tell you a name, like you don't want to mess with dog. Hear me? You know? Like, it would get too bloody.
Think about getting a sign on the door.
Well, you got a sign.
A real one.
Should get some clients first.
Just one little...
Yeah, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Get some real people, man. You ain't even got $1.
Hey, you know she's not really free?
Hey.
Jesus, what happened to your eye?
Oh,
Bruh, I ain't gonna lie though. Like, I want to know how he knew how to get there. That's all I'm trying to figure out, bruh.
Our door? Ah. Karen?
right. Okay.
I mean, they can't believe it. We got a client?
Not what I was asking. It's the only name relevant to this discussion, Mr. Murdoch.
Oh, bro, how you go come up in here, walk in here and not give a name? You know what I'm saying? Hold on, bro.
It's fair. That's fair.
Your partner doesn't seem convinced.
Like Foggy said, we're particular about our clientele.
Yeah, bro, you suspicious, bro. We don't know you. You know what I'm saying? You could have said the same stuff to the people next door. They ain't want you, and we don't either.
Now, what's the case?
Everything you need is in this file.
Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie. Somebody go make dog a peanut butter jelly sandwich or something.
Wouldn't even give us his name, Foggy.
You wouldn't care if you could see the zeros on this check.
Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't.
We're running out of
I'll
time.
meet you there.
Meet me.
Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't. Listen, how many zeros on there, though? We might can bring them. Hear me? That boy sensing all that or something? Like, that's crazy that he can hear that. And, like that's tough.
It's been taken care of, sir.
Who you working for, my boy? That's crazy. Hold on.
Wanted was to throw a few balls. Lady at the shoe counter will tell you the same.
She also says that you crushed the deceased skull with a bowling ball.
That boy said he. That boy was not playing, boy.
Regret any injurious consequences my actions may have caused.
That boy a good liar. I like him. I want to know, is he a good guy or bad guy, though? You know? Like, I wonder, as the season go on, as we go see more of him.
This was last month, yes.
Hey, man, I hope you ain't in there trying to make them plays, but my man said it's go get bloody. You don't remember?
Cops aren't even on this yet. We could be the ones to connect the dots.
It doesn't sell papers, Ben.
Ben, you gotta do what sells. Okay, Ben? Benjamin.
Twice what we are. Writing for blogs. Working from home in their underwear. We're hanging on by our fingertips, Ben.
Look, Ben, it's people at the crib in their drawers, bruh, making cheese, you know? You in the office going hard, making nothing. Ben, think about it, Ben.
Or maybe you were in his employment at the time of the incident. I just wanted to throw a few balls. It's like I keep saying. You go bowling often, Mr. Healy. When the...
Boy, he on you now. It's a wrap. You better give up now.
You're all afraid of what might happen if we lose this case, Mr. Healy? No. Are you?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I told you I like him. I hope this ain't the final time we see him, dog. He said no.
You'll need to testify. I'm just gonna have faith in our judicial system. And you're gonna do your jobs.
Boy, he been studying, doing his homework. Not my first rodeo.
Wait your turn, man.
Bro just walked up on the game. That nigga, wait your turn, man. Oh, that was kind of sweet. I ain't know you can do that. To know that, like, huh? Did you put a quarter there and had a gun stick to it? What? Huh?
As long as I keep my mouth shut.
It's a clean slate, Ms. Page. chance to.
That's kind of bad. You can't do nothing. Somebody tried to kill you in Smokey's apartment and you can't even do nothing about it. You gotta sign your life away, baby.
Knows what? What's that?
Cheese blunts from that place you like?
You should have led with that.
That'd be cheating.
Look, so we know she up there hungry. You know? You shoulda, I would've did it. Here go a burger.
Got the insides?
It's still loading. We need better Wi-Fi.
We need better everything.
Let's do that. Let's win cases.
We need better everything. Oh, snap, bro. Oh, why this dude here, man? This guy's crazy. He might be about to kill somebody in court or something.
Go home. Get some rest. Got a big day tomorrow.
What, they want her to, like, go against them or something? Oh, snap, bro. This is getting crazy. Hey, what? Whoa. What's happening right now?
Mistake she made when she was 19 and pretty. Something she don't want her kids to know about.
You get rid of it.
Oh, she was getting cozy at the car, huh? She don't want nobody to get... Listen, lady, you're 59 years old now. Let it go.
You'll kill me.
Then you better leave my city. Tonight.
He gave you that right hook, boy. That's tough.
The judgment is yours. And yours alone.
Boy done gave y'all the speech of y'all life. I was in it. I ain't even in court. I'm in here like, shoot, he didn't do it. I know.
Now let my employer worry about the rest.
Yeah, you heard what the man said. He ain't playing. Let my employer worry about the rest.
They tried to kill me, and now they just shuffle some papers and change their name, and they get away with it?
Let it go.
I've tried.
Hey, listen, you better let it go. You gonna end up dead. But listen, you got Matt Murdock on your team, so you might stay alive.
So they tell me?
I read your article.
I read your article.
I think there's more to the story. If you're interested.
Uh-oh, boy, she got the tea. You better take it. But I don't know, Ben. Listen, that boy got everybody in there like not trying to do nothing right now. I ain't telling. Oh, snap. They actually fought each other? That's crazy. Oh, snap. Hey, what came out? Hey. Hey, bro, y'all could be teammates. Oh, my God. It just sounds like it hurt right now. Like, stop. Come on. Oh my God, these boys going at it, boy. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh my God. Oh, broke his spine. Hey, you better be afraid. You'll snap your neck right off.
What does he work for? I can't. I want a name.
That boy said,
He'll find me and make an example. And they'll find
well, boy, you better go to Mexico or something. You hear me?
You should have just killed me. You coward.
Oh my God. What just happened? What just happened? There's no way. Bro, I just would have went on a run. Oh my God. What is wrong with you? You knew how to do all that tricks and that tricky stuff? You could have killed them.
Are you interested or just looking?
Interested.
That's that boy Kingpin, man. He looks slimmer in this though. I watched a little bit of the Echo, like a couple episodes. He seemed a lot bigger in that.
It makes me feel low.
Bro, what you feeling all alone for? Just look at the painting, bro. Go sit down somewhere. You know? You got money. Oh, man. Nah, this episode was crazy. I did not expect the old boy that looked like my man from Scooby-Doo. Did not expect him to kill himself. That was wild to me. I'm interested now that Kingpin is here, what this man is about to do. This episode did have a good amount of good action in it, but I am having an amazing time watching this series. So you guys, please subscribe if you do not want to miss another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next one.